week at Hodgepodge Place, a great collection of small downtown businesses and the site of one of our events going on this weekend. On Friday night, the Janesville Jets play the St. Louis Bandits in the North Division playoffs. They'll play Friday night at 7:30 at the Janesville Ice Skating Center. If they win, they'll move on to play on Saturday at 7 p.m. at the Ice Skating Center. Also on Friday night, it's Rock and Roll a Cure at Parker High School. Starts at 6 p.m. Friday and runs till noon on Saturday. And this is a Relay for Life fundraiser to benefit the American Cancer Society. And on Friday from 10 to 6 and Saturday 8 to noon, the Salvation Army Women's Auxiliary Fabric Sale will be at the Warner Design Center. Maine will be at the Janesville Performing Arts Center, put on by Theater Unlimited, and it'll run Friday and Saturday at 7 p.m. and Sunday at 2 p.m. And on Saturday from 8 to noon, it's Rotary Botanical Gardens Bagged Compost Sale. They're 1.5 cubic foot bags, and they're just $5.50 per bag, and that sale runs every Saturday in April and May. On Saturday, the Armory will have a Neil Diamond tribute. The tickets for the 8 p.m. show are sold out, but 2 p.m. tickets are still available. It's just $49.95 for the meal and the show. The show begins at 2, but you can go ahead and be seated at noon so you can enjoy your meal before the show. And the Picard China Painting Competition Awards presentation will take place Saturday from 2 to 4 at the Helen Jeffries Wood Museum Center. And on Saturday from 10 a.m. to noon, there's a Mosaic Birdhouse workshop at Rotary Botanical Gardens. It's $40 for members, $45 for non-members. It is limited, so you want to call and make reservations, but all material, supplies, and equipment are included. On Saturday from noon to 2, there's a Zumbathon at the Janesville Athletic Club to benefit Moms Club and CASA of Rock County. Rock Prairie Montessori School will hold their annual Italian dinner fundraiser on Saturday at 6 p.m. And on Sunday from 9 to 2, it's the Big Give Food Drive at various local food stores throughout Janesville. It's a great opportunity to donate non-perishable food items at all of those grocery stores throughout Janesville. And on Sunday, right here at the Hodgepodge Place, there's a photo fundraiser. Kids can come in wearing their tutus, their ties, anything fun, and have their picture taken. And they'll take donations of new or gently used children's books and puzzles to help the March of Dimes. Cost is just $50 for the first child and $10 for additional siblings. There'll be lots of other great events too, and all proceeds benefit the March of Dimes. On Monday from 2 to 6 p.m. there's a blood drive at Peace Evangelical Lutheran Church. They take walk-ins, but you can also call for an appointment. You can get more information on our website. And on Tuesday, there's a community educational program and seminar from 6 to 7 p.m. at the Rock County Job Center. It's sponsored by the Alzheimer's Support Center of Rock County and will feature Memory Loss is Not a Normal Part of Aging. The Treasure Hunters Roadshow will be at the Holiday Inn Express and Janesville Conference Center on Tuesday through Saturday. They'll be there Tuesday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is a chance to bring in your rare and unusual collectibles and talk to antique and collection experts at no cost. And on Wednesday, the J-Pack Your Lunch series will run from noon to 1 p.m. It's a free event, and this one will feature In the Hands of the Enemy, the showing of the Janesville 99 documentary. And on Wednesday night, it's Wine Dinners at the Armory featuring Portuguese wine. Seating is from 6 to 6:30 p.m. and it's just $82 a person. That includes your meal, your wines, and your gratuity. And on Tuesday from 11 to 1, it's the Tin Cup Lunch at Rotary Botanical Gardens. The special guest speaker will be Terry Ryan, and all proceeds benefit the Salvation Army. And on Thursday, it's Comedy Night at the Armory with the doors opening at 6 p.m. and the show beginning at 7:30. It's just $10 for top-notch comedy on every Thursday night. If you want more information on these and other events, just visit the events section of our website.